This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be working on another pair of Air Force Ones. It's probably going to be the last Air Force One custom I do for a while. But the theme of this week's custom is Polaroid. I've had this idea for a while, but I never got around to doing it. And these are a men's size 8, which is a women's 9.5. So if you guys like this design and you want to buy them, they'll be for sale on my Instagram. So before I get started, I have a few quick things to tell you guys about. And I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway that I did on Instagram and Twitter in just a second. So as you guys saw, this video is sponsored by a company called Catbeast, which is a really cool company where you can make your own custom hats and beanies. So if you guys want to create a custom hat or a custom beanie, I put a link to their website in the description so you can go check that out. I haven't been taking orders for customs for about 2 months now, and I probably won't anytime soon. But if you guys want to order a pair of custom shoes, you can hit up my friend Bird Customs. He does any kind of shoe you want, and he's extremely talented. So go check him out on Instagram, and he has a YouTube channel as well. So I'll put a link to that in the description. Alright, now for the most important matter, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway. So the winner is at TeddyM24 on Instagram. So send me a message on Instagram with your shoe size and your address, and I'll send you a pair of custom Nike slides with the electric theme from a couple weeks back. Thank you to everyone who entered. My next giveaway is going to be when I hit 100K, so stay tuned for that. And that's all I have to say, so let's get started.
So like I said, today I'm working on a brand new pair of Air Force Ones. In some small mixing jars, I'm going to try and recreate the 6 colors from the Polaroid logo. I tried to show this process, but I had to completely start over because I got the colors way off. Before I do any painting, I'm going to prep the shoe with acetone. I'm going to be doing the stripes on the swoosh, so using a pencil I sketched out where each line should be. If you want to be more precise, you can use a ruler, but I just did it by hand. To be safe, I taped around the edges of the swoosh just so I don't have to worry about getting paint anywhere. For the lines, I'm using vinyl strips instead of tape. The reason for this is because when you use a heat gun on vinyl, it'll melt onto the leather and no paint will leak. So when I need perfectly straight lines, I'll get better results doing it this way. So now I'm going to repeat this for each color in the logo. To add some more detail to this design, I decided to outline certain portions of the shoe with black paint. For the Nike Air threads in the back, I'm going to paint them black as well using an angelus paint marker. The paint marker is a mix of black paint and angelus 2 thin, which makes it to where the paint will just soak into the threads, which makes it a lot easier to do. Now that that's done, I'm going to do the other swoosh off camera. Both swooshes are now done. I decided to add a dripping effect just to add some more details. The last step to this custom is adding a Polaroid logo using a stencil that I made. I keep saying in my videos that I'm going to make a video showing how to make stencils. I'm still doing that, I just haven't had time yet. To transfer it onto the shoe, I use some transfer paper. Now all the paint is down on the shoe, so I'm going to go ahead and lace them up and spray them with a matte finisher. If you guys have any video suggestions for next week, leave a comment down below. That's it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one.